Okay, traders, it's Sam here from Trade to Prosper to give you another crypto update. Bitcoin is the one I'm going to look at, and then followed by a few other coins. And let's begin. So Bitcoin is, as you know, going sideways or ranging for some time. Let's see how long it's been going for. Be interesting fact. So really, geez, 78 days, close to 2 months. Well, last time I can talk about what I think is taking place on the big screen. It's either down channel or downward wedge, and I do believe that we're going to still go bullish. Just a macro correction, is my opinion. But anyway, how do we trade this? For now, this is a clear area of interest. So we had all our wicks here. So this is a major level, and this is showing that it might just hold. It might just actually do that and then hit the top again and back down again. So that's a potential trade. Right now, it's not giving us anything to do. So the alts might be able to do something. The other option is if we don't hold this and if we don't regain this level. So if we're looking for a trade, we're looking for a wick, something like that. And so on the 4 hour, I think we'll be here for a while if this is going to go straight, and then we'll get another move to the top. And this, it's either going to be, I would say, take profit there, and if it keeps going high, then great, look for the closure up there. However, this one was to squeeze out the shorts there, so that was pretty much liquidity hunting. I don't think we'll reach this level here again. We've already done it twice, but it's possible that we revisit that. Unlikely, but it is possible that we'll revisit. And my interest is that we went long here, long there, and we've got the monthly level here as well from the monthly candlestick. So if this was to drop, I would say slightly further down to probably this level, just past that, the monthly level. Get the liquidity of these two longs, and then go back and back up again. And this level for S.SAri is roughly there on the daily, and it might just go below the monthly level. But it could also be on the monthly level, so it would be safe to say that you place an order here, and you might get the wick and then up again. So I'll be placing an order. This is slightly further down, would be great, but I do feel like there's a game being played on, liquidity hunting, and therefore we might just get it around there. So that value is between 25,300 to 24,780, something like that. That range, I think, is doable. We might get it, might not get it. But if you're not watching it, then that's where you place the order. The other option is pretty much back up from here, going back up. So it's a range trade, looking for swing failure patterns or failure auctions. And we have our clear level here on the monthly. That one's a daily. So if this does come down and we regain this level, then rest assured we're not going to keep going up. But that's why we're saying ideally, if you place an order there, that we give you some risk to reward ratio, so you get an entry. At least if it gets rejected here, it's still a bit of a gain. And then we'll look for the next, so then it will be this range again defined. But if it goes above and it stays around there and then goes up, great. So the shorts have come in here, so I think it will just go above it, and then we might get a wick down as well. So there's two levels of trading. So let's do it officially. How's that? We can say from here. We'll look for a short. Anything above the dailies. And so this one is, hold on, let's do this. And the other one is the long. So we can say if it comes down here to that level, let's see there, we have this risk to reward ratio. I think that'll be fair enough. And we have that. And the second one is after that. So we can probably go like that. But we've got to see how that works out. That's what I have with Bitcoin. Now let me pause this and go on to the next chart. With Solana, if you don't know this chart, go back to my previous Solana posting, and so far so good. So what we have here is steps. So we've broken above this level on the daily, found our resistance, daily resistance level. So that's a daily resistance level there. Give me a sec. That's a daily resistance level. And then we have another one up here. So the Fibonacci is coming to play. So that will be a good entry. We might wick down like this. But let's go in close and zoom in. Yeah, so it would be fair to say that the daily level is there. And it's already touched it once, bugger. So that's the 4 hour. So that's you might not get it again, but I do see this. It's not the best shape for Solana because of this. We might get something like that. Hold on, let's do this. So you can see all these levels in the past. So what we do is a 50% level. Where are we? Here we go. From there, let's just do a template. So we had that 50% level, and similarly, if we do that and bring it down here, that might be a 50% level. So yeah, we'll do a long. If it comes, I will say that is it there, and we go back up again. What's looking like at this point a rising wedge or channel. Might play out, but the thing about this is I like it's the one. It could come down here and then up again, and now we might get a double top. Solana's looking good. Strong move, and it's got the momentum to the upside. Bit of a deep pullback, but yet again, you can see here, that's been also support. So this is a level of demand, and you know what? That's it wicked below. So this line is the next demand. Where I'll put the breakout. So this level is definitely a long entry. Let's have a look on a small time frame. Oh, these are 4 hours. Bugger, so I'm thinking of the daily. Sorry about that. Let's look at the daily. Not the most promising, but that was a descending wedge. We did talk about that. And there's the breakout. And let's see if there's any clues with the harmonics. Not on the daily. Not there. No harmonics with the tool. Yes, so that bottom level, it's not the best entry, but I think it's still worth it. I still want to see a green candle, bit of a strong bullish candle. We might get a double bottom like this somewhere there. So be patient. We might just do that and continue on. At the moment there's no signal on the 4 hour, nothing, not there yet. We want to see a bullish candle of some sort, or 3 candles on the 4 hour, and we want to see it regain this level. So if it regains this level on the 4 hour, then we go long. That's what I got for that. Otherwise, if it does break down, we want to see it get below this level first, and then when it comes to the retest, we'll look for it to come back down. But at the moment there's no trade. And that's it, guys. Bitcoin. Actually, one more. Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. It's not the chart I wanted. Actually, let's look at Ethereum Bitcoin pairing. That was bullish, I remember that. And I had there we go. Inverted head and shoulders. So what we have here is that in play, yes. Or Ethereum is still outperforming. We had some moving averages that was resistance. Bummer. Is it this the chart? No, this isn't the chart. So we have something here. There we go. This trend line. So we still need a bullish breakout. Nothing there yet. I would say the point, yeah, let's see, here we go. Let's put that there. There you go. That is definitely the level that we want to break above to go bullish. At the moment, there's no trade really. I thought about this, but this is not relevant. This is not relevant. It's broken twice. It was just a level that if it dropped this level, it was going to drop. That's all it is. So we've got that level, and we're that level. So we're on a range. This trend line might be worth it. There's no trade there, but I am bullish with Ethereum against Bitcoin. Let's look on the weekly. Damn it, where is it? Give me a sec, guys. Yeah, this is the chart I was looking at. So we have that trend line there, and our moving averages were playing the role as support. So you can see this moving average as resistance. So we had this formation breakdown, and then we're going to see trying to get above that. So the daily, so hold on, this is the weekly. We've got a weekly level here. Very strong resistance. So I'll wait for that to break before you go long. Definitely. Moving averages, it needs to go above it. And if we look at indicators, not the MACD, that is bullish, as we said. This is even bullish on the weekly, so that looks good. Let's look on the 2-day. Yes, there's still momentum to upside, a bit of slowing down. But still, no, still momentum to the upside. Right at this point, I would say hold back, and let's see where it is. That's the level. That level is the most confident. So we're right at that resistance, major resistance. Is this, if we can tweak that? No, we can't tweak that. We have that. No, nothing really fits except for that. We've got 2 points there, so that point's there. But I will look at the horizontal. RSI is slowly crawling its way up. Weekly. And we've got this breakout, but sideways. So let's see how the week closes. Right at this moment, 3-day, we're getting a bearish candle there, so there we go. So we might just pull back a little, come back here to this moving average, or just stay sideways. So I think we just stay sideways for a while. before it makes up its mind, up or down. And that's a wrap. Cheers, guys.